There is more to learning something quickly. There is a lot of knowledge to be shared. Just that specific information is what you need to know. It is so important to receive it quickly. Ebooks are not that bad, they can be your study friend in need. Many people are thinking like that too, and so many ebooks are needed nowadays. Imagine you are managing a digital platform with lots of ebooks. And easy to find, as we went to a library. If I mention the product name, it will say enough. Digital Academy Fortune is a digital platform. You can launch this platform and get into business right away. Selling online courses, ebooks, and digital resources. How to launch your own online academy in 2026 with Digital Academy Fortune. The knowledge economy is no longer a buzzword, it is a multi-billion-dollar reality. Every day, thousands of people go to the internet to learn a new skill, solve a problem, or improve their lives. This has created a massive opportunity for anyone who can package information into digital products like online courses, ebooks, and resource guides. However, for most aspiring entrepreneurs, the path from idea to income is blocked by a wall of technical complexity. You might have the best content in the world, but if you can't figure out how to host a video, process a payment, or build a secure member area, your business remains a hobby in your head. This is where Digital Academy Fortune enters the picture. It is designed to be the bridge between your entrepreneurial goals and a fully functioning digital storefront. 1. The power of digital assets. Before we dive into the software, it is vital to understand why selling digital products is the ultimate business model for beginners. Unlike physical products, digital assets have zero inventory costs. You create the product once and sell it an infinite number of times. No shipping or logistics. The delivery is instant and automated. High profit margins. Without manufacturing or shipping costs, your profit per sale remains incredibly high. Global reach. You can sell to someone in New York, London, or Tokyo simultaneously. Digital Academy Fortune provides the infrastructure to tap into this market without needing a degree in computer science or a massive venture capital budget. 2. Why most beginners get stuck. If the opportunity is so great, why isn't everyone doing it? The answer lies in the tech stack trap. To launch a traditional online academy, you usually need a website host, a learning management system (LMS) plugin, an email marketing tool, a payment gateway integration, security software to prevent piracy. Managing these 5 moving parts is exhausting. It leads to shiny object syndrome where you spend more time fixing your website than actually talking to customers. Digital Academy Fortune solves this by consolidating the essential tools into one easy-to-use platform. 3. What is Digital Academy Fortune? Digital Academy Fortune is a comprehensive digital platform that allows you to launch your own online business immediately. It isn't just a theme or a simple landing page, it is a full-scale digital academy environment. The platform is built with a business-in-a-box philosophy. It allows you to host, market, and sell video courses, structured lessons with progress tracking, ebooks, PDF guides, manuals, and digital books, digital resources, templates, checklists, and downloadable tools. The standout feature of this platform is its simplicity. It's designed for the person who wants to be a business owner, not a web developer. 4. Personalization and branding. One of the biggest fears beginners have when buying a business in a box is that their site will look exactly like everyone else's. Digital Academy Fortune addresses this through deep personalization options. While the software provides a professional framework, you have the power to upload your own branding, add your logos, color schemes, and fonts. Customize the layout, arrange your products in a way that makes sense for your specific niche. Control the content, you are the master of your domain. You decide the pricing, the descriptions, and the structure of your offerings. This means you can launch a fitness academy, a coding bootcamp, or a gardening ebook store all using the same software but with completely different looks and feels. 5. The financial advantage, one-time purchase. Perhaps the most significant benefit of Digital Academy Fortune is its pricing model. Most platforms in the digital education space, like Teachable, Kajabi, or Thinkific, operate on a monthly subscription model. These can cost anywhere from $39 to $399 per month. For a beginner, these recurring costs are profit killers. If you aren't making sales yet, a $100 per month bill can quickly drain your motivation. Digital Academy Fortune is offered as a one-time purchase. By removing the monthly overhead, you significantly lower your break-even point. Once you own the software, your only focus is on driving traffic and making sales. Plus, with the current discount being offered, the entry price is lower than ever, making it an accessible investment for those starting from scratch. 6. How to launch your business, step by step. Setting up your academy doesn't have to take weeks. Here is the general workflow when using the platform. Installation: set up the software on your domain. Because it is designed for ease of use, this process is streamlined. Configuration: enter your business details and connect your preferred payment processor, so you get paid directly. Customization: adjust the colors and logos to match your brand identity. Product upload: upload your course videos, PDF ebooks, or resources. Add compelling descriptions and set your price. Go live: open your doors to the world. 7. Versatility: more than just courses. While online academies often imply video lessons, Digital Academy Fortune is versatile enough to handle various formats. For the writer, use it as a secure storefront to sell your latest ebooks or white papers.